You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this slightly confusing, perhaps, name of a perfume, Eau de Toilette by Hermès in French, and how you can easily say it in English as well. I mean, easily, kind of. Eau des Merveilles Bleues. That's the French pronunciation here. Eau meaning water. Des merveilles. Merveilles are wonders. So the water of the wonders. And bleu is French for blue. Okay, so that's the blue one. Eau des Merveilles Bleues. Eau des Merveilles Bleues by Hermès. You can say it in English, or French again. Eau des Merveilles Bleues. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.